Hello and welcome to the lecture series on economics of growth and development. In today's lecture, I have the distinction between economic growth and economic development. So let's get started. So you can see that in this column, I'm talking about economic growth, and in this column, I'm talking about economic development. So the first point of distinction between the two is economic growth is a quantitative concept. It can be quantified, like I can calculate economic growth on a month-on-month basis, year-on-year basis, and things like that. On the contrary, economic development is a qualitative concept. Yeah, it is really difficult. It is a broader or a comprehensive idea of looking at economic development per se, yeah? Looking at economic development per se. Then we have the second point of distinction. So according to Mridal, economic growth refers to the problems of developed countries. It is looking at the problem of developed countries. On the contrary, according to Mridal, economic development refers to the problems of least developed countries or underdeveloped countries. Yeah. So according to Mridal, the second point of distinction is what? Economic growth is looking at the problems of developed countries. On the contrary, economic development, according to Mridal, is the process wherein I am looking at the problems of underdeveloped countries or least developed countries. Let us now move to the third point of distinction between economic growth and development. According to Madison, raising income level in rich countries is termed as economic growth, whereas raising income level in poor countries is called as economic development. So this is the third point of distinction between the two. According to Madison, raising income level in the rich countries is called as economic growth. On the contrary, raising income level in the poor countries is called as economic development or the process of economic development. Let us now move to the fourth point of distinction between the two. According to Schumpeter, growth is a gradual and steady change in longer run. Growth is a gradual and steady change in the longer run, that is increase in savings, increase in population. It is constantly happening. It is a gradual and steady change. On the contrary, according to Schumpeter, development is a discontinued and spontaneous change in stationary state. So when I talk about the Schumpeter's theory of economic development, I'll talk about what stationary state means and things like that, what are the disequilibria that are happening and things like that. So it is just a preliminary idea of what are the ideas of, or what are the views of Schumpeter on economic growth and economic development. Let us now move to the fifth distinction between the two. According to Kindleberger, economic growth means more output. It means more output. On the contrary, according to Kindleberger, economic development means more output with change in technology as well as change in institutions. So this is what, according to Kindleberger, economic growth and development boils down to. Let us now move to the last point of distinction between the two, which is the sixth point of distinction. According to Friedman, growth is expansion of the old system. It is the expansion of the old system. Economic growth is the expansion of the old system. And on the contrary, according to Friedman, economic development is innovative process leading to structural transformations. Now, what are these structural transformations? These structural transformations are transformation in technology and transformation in institutions. So this is what economic growth and development particularly boils down to, according to Friedman. So I hope the idea of economic growth and economic development is pretty much clear. A major point of importance is growth is a quantitative concept. On the contrary, development is a qualitative concept. So I hope the idea of economic growth and economic development, or the distinction between the two, is pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. Thank you.